Using canvas to create a wall lighting. For this idea, I'll be using an 8x10 canvas that I already painted before, and the second thing I'll be using is this flexible mat from the dollar store. So since it's flexible, I will be able to staple it on the side of the canvas. I use a stapler because it will hold it way better than if I use glue. Now to cover the side that has the staplers, I went on and used this beautiful glitter foam and just used hot glue to cover it up. Now to actually decorate the flexible mat itself, I'll go ahead and use those jewelry borders that I also got from the local dollar store from a long time ago. I finally was able to find a good use for them, so I'll go ahead and just continue to put them around the flexible mat. Instead of adding them at the same level, I tried to create a pattern with it to elevate the look. Next, I will use those push pin that I got from Amazon a long time ago. I did use them for quite a lot of my previous projects, and for this one I think it would have been a really great touch up to add to my now wall sconce. Since the mat is fairly flexible, I was able to put the push pin without adding any additional glue. I repeated that same step for the other side, and I put it where there were empty space. And now for the lighting, I'll be using this battery operated and remote control lighting. So I'll go ahead and first put my batteries in, and later on I'll go ahead and see if it actually works. I have so many of those lighting that I grabbed the wrong remote control, but no worries, I was able to find the right one, so it does work. And now I'll go ahead and grab a picture frame, to which I'll be using the glass and wrap around the light around it and put it into my new wall sconce. Prior to wrapping the light around the glass, I went on and add those wooden cubes that will allow me to find a space to actually glue it to my canvas. I tried so many different things until I was able to find this one to be working. I tried to use the frame itself, I tried to use a piece of cardboard, but I found out that the glass actually works perfectly, because although I'm wrapping the light around it, both sides could still see the light coming through. Next, adding some glue to where I had the wooden pieces, I simply go ahead and add it into the canvas. Next, I turn the piece over and make sure that I tuck in the battery part to the back of the canvas. And for hanging on the wall, I will simply be using common strip, which is really strong, and I put some at all the corners of the canvas. And voila, this is how the wall sconce, I'm not sure what to call it actually, but either way it turns out so beautiful. And I was amazed that I was able to use just a few steps to create a brand new wall decor or lighting piece. Wow, I am so amazed with the result. What are you guys thinking? Why don't you leave me a comment down below? hope you guys like this idea and found this video to be very useful. If so, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next amazing projects. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.